Hi, Miss Jenny. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, sir. I am Jenny Ibihagil, 28 years old. I'm single and I came from the Philippines.
Do you have kids?
No, sir.
How many siblings do you have?
I have four siblings, two brothers, one sister, and I'm the third children of the family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm a college level and I did not finish my studies. It's because my parents cannot afford my tuition fees.
Do you have overseas experience?
I have no overseas experience, but here in the Philippines, I have experienced 2 years and 6 months in a couple with 1 year old baby. And I do all around household chores like cleaning, laundry, cooking, ironing, and also I took care of the baby.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go abroad is because I want to support my family and to earn money and also to support myself.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing me a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, 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 round.
Are you scared of cat and dogs?
No, sir. I love pets.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I will take care in a calm voice.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if you are going to hire me, I will promise to work with you with a hard work and I will promise to finish my contract and if you need me, I will extend my contract.